Forever, ever, hold it, never mind. Oh,
Hello, I welcome you all to Soul Star. कैसे हैं आप लोग? So today we are going to do your new moon, rest of June reading, a love reading. Okay, so we're going to do it element wise. मेरी सारी information description box में, kindly have a look. So we're going to start with Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. We're going to do our water signs. Thank you, my water signs. You are like the maximum. You're offering the maximum viewership with the Libra, Taurus, Capricorn and other signs, yeah, but you're ranking high, right? So thank you. My new joiners, those who are new to the channel, I welcome you so much. And my old joiners, I love you to bits for supporting and liking. Help the community grow, guys. The new joiners, please like and subscribe, because उससे चैनल ग्रो करता है और मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है. एफर्ट जब अप्रिशिएट होता है तो डेफिनेटली अच्छा लगता है. नो रीजन टू सीजन, जस्ट स्प्रेड जॉय, पीस, हैप्पीनेस. टाइम्स आर वेरी टफ, वी ऑल नो. स्टे सेफ. आई होप आप लोग सब सेफ हैं, घर पर ध्यान रखिए अपना और अपने लव्ड वंस का. सो फ्रॉम द मोनोलॉजी डेक वी गोना पुल आउट योर मून ऑरेकल. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Show me the message, Michael Blueberry. The spirit guides. What do we need to see for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio? What do we need to see? What do we need to see? So मैं वैदिक और वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी दोनों में ट्रैवल करती हूँ. सो प्लीज़ वॉच योर सन, मून एंड राइजिंग, और अपनी इंट्यूशन ज़रूर देखिएगा क्रॉस वॉचर्स, एंड सी इट अकॉर्डिंगली. ओके, हाय. रिवर्सल्स नहीं करते हैं जेंडर्स में, टैपिंग नहीं करते हैं अनलेस एंड अनटिल. जेनेटिलिया तो होता भी नहीं है, राइट? होल्ड योर विजन. होल्ड योर विजन. This is a fixed moon. Wow. So someone is focused on something. किसी एक relationship पे आप genuinely focused हैं. इसको हम clarify ज़रूर करेंगे, डिटेल में मैं बात करूँगी while pulling the cards. tarot pull करूँगी तब. So we'll be able to make the reading shorter, crisper and nice. So wisdom oracle से एक oracle आपका pull करते हैं. So with the hold your vision, the whole idea is that you still don't know a couple of things. And it's not important. Okay, they're just saying just keep going, have faith, don't worry about it, because spirits are watching you. वो आपको देख रहे हैं. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio people. Okay, and advantageous ही है मुझे जो नजर आता है. They show me success. Success as in how? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Success. Show me the messages from the wisdom oracle. The Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio need to see. My water signs, what do they need to see? Michael, what do they need to see? Distance is difficult. Yes, we can understand. They say happy. Stay in this energy. That's the whole idea. Just stay in this energy. This is about strength. This is about holding on to the vision. This is about having faith. This is about, just going forward. जिनके बारे में भी आप सोच कर ये रीडिंग देख रहे हैं, whoever the subject is, cross watchers, take it as it resonates. The only thing I feel required is a little flexibility. That's about it. I want you guys to see this card. This is such a beautiful card. Just watch it for a second, please. Okay, watch the card and see the energy of the card. Did you see this? So this is really like a very positive card. This is like strength. This is about being in the energy, because spirit is really blessing you. They're just saying that lighten up. जिस भी सिचुएशन में आप हैं, जो भी सिचुएशन है गाइज, just lighten up, be easy. Okay, do things that make you happy, enjoy, have fun. I know it's a little difficult in the times today, but that's the only way to be, right? You have to be in that positive state. आपको खुशी जिस तरह से भी मिलती है, जिस तरीके से भी मिलती है, वो ज़रूर आप करें. और दिस इज़ अबाउट द रिलेशनशिप, बिकॉज इट्स अ लव रीडिंग. तो इट्स अबाउट द पर्सन दैट यू थिंकिंग, बट जस्ट बी ग्रेटफुल अबाउट दैट पर्सन इन योर लाइफ. ओके, जो भी आपकी लाइफ में है, बट कीप इन माइंड कि हो सकता है जिस भी सिनारियो में आप हैं करंटली, विद द होल्ड योर विजन हियर, there are two things through this card. One is that, be grateful about it, be thankful about it. And the second is that, uh, just stand your ground, put your foot down, or you have put your foot down. Now, they're saying that don't be stubborn. This can be very stubborn energy, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Okay, do watch your sun, moon, rising. So for the clear picture, so they're saying that don't be stubborn, please, because that will take away the happy vibe. Okay, and I'm sure you don't want that. You don't want this vibe to go because of your stubbornness, if at all there is. In regard to the relationship, since we were talking, the appearance really of the card here is that you might think that the grass is greener. आपको लग रहा होगा कि वो खुश हैं, or maybe you guys are not talking, or maybe there's distance between you guys, or maybe there's something that has happened, कुछ conflict है जो अभी settle नहीं हुआ है. So Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, maybe they're saying that you're feeling a little low, or maybe your energy is a little low. They're just saying lift them up. Don't be stubborn about it. And if you haven't reached out, talk to them a little. Tell them that how you feeling, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं, उनको बताइए, so that things become a little easier, because the other person can be judgmental about it, can think and see that आपको कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, because उनके लिए it's like just another relationship. उनको ऐसा feeling आना शुरू हो जाएगा या आ रहा है. So now आप में से किसी एक को कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. somebody has to back down with the whole your vision, that you'll have to do the mending. आपको फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी शो करनी पड़ेगी, तभी आप लोग आगे प्रोग्रेसिवली इसको अच्छे से लेकर जा पाएंगे. पानी जब रुक जाता है, जब स्टैग्नेशन हो जाती है, तो इट स्टार्ट स्मेलिंग, राइट. सिमिलरली रिलेशनशिप में जब कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होता है तो गैप बढ़ जाता है. सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू नीड टू हैव दैट गैप, राइट. यू नीड टू टॉक अबाउट इट, लाइटन द सिचुएशन, और उनको क्लियरली बताइए हाउ यू फीलिंग. ओके, सो full moon lunar eclipse happened in Sagittarius, right? So you were very focused on your work until then, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, I feel. Now is the time to kind of pay attention, especially women. I see somebody, who is very disturbed. एंड वो बात करना चाहती है, फ़ोन उठाती है कि टेक्स्ट करूँ, ईमेल करूँ, व्हाट्सएप करूँ, somehow not able to do it. Divine feminine energy, I'm saying, okay? And whereas the masculine energy is hoping that you will, because उनको लगता है that divine feminine has options somehow. So plus minus वो भी कर रहे हैं, आप भी कर रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्यों, right? So let's clarify this with the tarot, what the tarot is advising. Let's see what the tarot is advising. I mean, see, that's why relationships are very delicate. उनको बहुत अच्छे से हमें handle करना होता है. To see them foster, to see them grow. They're asking me to shuffle. अगर ये बॉदर कर रहा है तो आप म्यूट कर सकते हैं. You both want each other's happiness, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. That's what they say, that, and your soul knows it, that this will bring you joy. They tell me to stop at joy. Subscribe to the channel, people, if you have not. Okay, Michael Blueberry, show me the messages for Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, the tarot. अरे जाओ, बातें ना बनाओ, ये बता रहे हैं कि उनको लगता है कि आप बात बना रहे हैं, बात कर नहीं रहे हैं. You buying time somehow. Don't be surprised if you receive an email or a text or a message or anything, or you do that. Think about it. ठीक है, अपने inner compass से बात करिए, देखिए how this reading works for you. मैं happy हूँ, but stay happy. That's what they're saying. They have given us the Three of Wands, which is like ask and you will receive for me. Okay, so this is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Watch your sun, moon, rising. Maybe you're dealing with an Aries, Leos, or a Sag. And we have the Ace of Swords, which is Archangel Michael, who's here with me. So this is your energy, that you know it in your heart and you know that the divine is helping you with it, but it's just that you're not seeing it, or you're just holding on that, oh, they'll reach out, I know, because that's what your intuition is telling you, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. And maybe that is where, that little stubbornness is there. Pay attention, yes, but do not get stuck. जैसे मैंने कहा, स्टैग्नेशन अगर होगी तो आप परेशान होंगे. प्लीज़ डोंट डू दैट टू योरसेल्फ. यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट. डोंट टेक एवरीथिंग टू सीरियसली. कई बार ऊपर नीचे हो जाती है, एट टाइम्स you don't. Two people will have different set of minds, different opinions, thoughts. Accept it now. Why bother about it? Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Maybe you're dealing with some. They're saying that, just know that you're lovely, you're adored, you're all good. Self-worth question mat kariye. Be grateful. Queen of Pentacles, know that you're all right. Okay? And फिक्स्ड साइन के साथ हो सकता है अगर आप डील कर रहे हैं तो वो में भी शायद स्टक हैं, तो वो अगर ऑब्स्टिनेट हो रहे हैं तो आपको फ्लेक्सिबल होना है टू मेक इट वर्क. एंड देव गिवन अस द 8 of Wands. So yeah, as I said, you can expect a communication coming your way online, because there's distance and there's gap, or maybe the advice is कि आप please उनको you can text, email, message if you want to, because I said, I see somebody really picking up the phone saying let me type, but then the person stops and doesn't do it. Somehow that's the kind of vibe. But I just feel my Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, as far as your love gig is concerned, they're telling you to stay happy. Okay, don't be stubborn. Please, stubborn mat rahiye. Know that the person you are asking about is also thinking about you. आपके बारे में सोच रहे हैं और वो चाहते हैं that you should come forward. और ये प्लस और माइनस करना बंद कर दीजिए and just enjoy the ride. कोविड है, you don't know what's gonna happen. So अगर ये इंसान आपको खुशी देता है, आपकी जीवन में खुशी लेकर आता है, तो make sure that you tell them that you make me happy, you fill me with love. That's what the Ace of Cups is about. Okay, and I said Ace of Swords also, maybe as I said, could be, like a air sign or Michael's presence. So the idea is that trust your intuition, yes, but connect to the higher power also. They're showing you the signs everywhere. So it's like there's a solution around you for this. Just dig a little, okay? And get it right. And this is such a fabulous reading. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, thank you so much. If this reading resonates, give me a like and subscribe, and also share it with your friends. Help the community grow. I am sending you so much of love and light. Stay home, stay safe, and I shall see you the next time. Until eternity. Bye. God bless you.